We now look at the proof obligation that is related to invariance 4, and that cannot currently be proved as maintained by the event decrements, which is this proof obligation over here. Let's have a look at invariance 4. Invariance 4 says that element v that we are trying to find does exist in F within the indices range of P up to Q, which means every time when we are trying to decrease or increase the lower bounds and upper bounds of P and Q, it is always as invariance that V is still in that range. But now currently Rodin cannot actually prove it is the case. So what we can do, a very useful strategy, is to copy and paste this guy, which is very general. We want to make it specific to the events updates. So let's go to decrements and let's add a guard and make it a theorem, and we just paste the invariance here, and let's consider what the P and Q here should be. Because in the decrement event, we actually changed the value of Q from Q down to R-1. So here, instead of Q, we have to do R-1, standing for Q prime. And if we save it, we can see that now invariant 4 is now maintained. On the other hand, we have to prove that this expression here as a theorem can be inferred from the existing guards, invariants, and axioms. In the next video, we will show you how you can conduct the proof for this new theorem.